lovelies, it's 5777. How y'all doing? Hello to my OGs. And if you're new here and you like beauty, you like health, you like lifestyle, then stick around, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and let's get into it. Okay, today I am going to do an unboxing of this microscope. Yeah, you might say, why do you want to do an unboxing of a microscope? Why do you need a microscope? Why do you want a microscope? Well, I'm going to tell you. I love to see what's going on inside the human body, outside the human body. Yeah, I like to play around with those things. I like to know what's going on with my skin. I like to know what's going on my scalp, you know, and just everything that has to do with what's going on with the body. You know, you can use this microscope for so many things. You can use this for all kind of inspections. Like if you have a stamp collection, if you have a jewelry collection, you might want to see if your jewelry is real or something like that, and you know, see the serial number on the jewelry. It's just so much stuff that you could do with this microscope. And you might want to use this for educational purposes. Children love this microscope. They want to see stuff, they want to explore, and it's good. You know, kids should explore. Also, if you see me looking off to the side, I'm looking at some notes. Okay, I did say about my skin. I have a mirror, like most of us have, two-side mirror. One is regular magnification, and on the other side is 10 times magnification. And you see some stuff with that 10 magnification mirror that you've never seen on your skin before, and you may be like, whoa, what is going on here? But with this digital microscope, this is 1,000 times magnification. So you're really going to see some stuff, and you really want to get into it, and you really want to see what's going on your skin, and in your hair, on your scalp. You're going to see some things, and it might be gross, because when you get up close, you're going to be shocked. So if you're interested in this, stick around to part 2 of this video when I do some looking through the microscope at my skin and my hair and stuff. But right now I'm going to do an unboxing of it. I got this off of Amazon, and this is $20, and it came in this little box. I didn't think it was going to be so small like this, but let's crack it open, see what comes in here, because the next time, y'all, it's going to be fun. All right, here we go. So this is the contents of the box, and what comes in the box is a stand to put the microscope on. It's pretty heavy. I thought it was going to be a very light kind of plasticky thing. It is plastic, but it's a heavy, sturdy plastic, which is good. Okay, and here is the microscope, and it's going to light up. And you're going to use this part to plug into your computer. It also comes with something to calibrate the microscope. I don't know how to use that yet. And it also comes with a disc. Now, I don't know who has a disc to play this on their computer, but I don't. But luckily, the software will just load up when you plug in the microscope. And the last thing in the box is some kind of instructions. Now, I don't know how to read these instructions because this is in like a Japanese, Chinese, some kind of other language that I don't speak. But that's fine, because it's pretty easy and mostly self-explanatory. So that's it. And if you want to see what I'm going to do with this microscope in the next video, come back. Okay? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye.